Alright guys, we're going to be doing a slip yoke eliminator kit in Little Red today. So we're going to take the belly pan off and all of that stuff and get everything supported up, and then I'll come back when we get all of that off. And there's two ways you can do this. You can take the transfer case off and do it off the vehicle, and I have seen people do it on the vehicle, and I think I may try that today. We'll just see as I get to it, then I'll make that decision. All right, so I believe I'm going to try to do this install with everything in the Jeep, not take the transfer case out is what I mean. I've seen it done on YouTube, and I think I want to try that, and we're going to see if it works well, or if it don't work well, y'all will know at the end of this video. So I'm going to get to taking things apart and see how it goes. Before I go any further, I'm going to make sure I can get this upper fill hole plug out. And I can. Alright, and so, alright, next, before I take any more of this off, I'm going to take the front drive shaft out and the rear drive shaft out. Alright, I just hid around the edges of that collar until I got it to where it was loosened up a little bit, and then I just went under the bottom. So a lot of people destroy this housing. This one is actually still okay. I just hated to destroy it for no reason. There's a washer. So I've got this funny looking little snap ring here. I'm going to have to get that off. I've got some snap ring pliers that open these can go either direction. I've got them set to where they open up, which is what I need for this one. See if we can get this off. Alright, I got another one of those funny looking snap rings up in here. I've got to get off. Alright, after a bunch of fighting, I finally got that off. Now I'm going to take this off. have a 10mm 12 point that's at the top up here, and that's the only one that's a different size. The other ones are 15mm. Seth, come hold this chain up right here in the middle. I don't want to drop it. Alrighty. Alright, take this big piece out. Grab it. Take it. Alright, we're going to be doing this hillbilly style on top of the garbage can. This has got another one of those snap rings that I dislike very much. This should be easier to do here than what I was doing earlier. Alright, there's that. Now let me get my other shaft. Alright, so this gear comes off. This is 2 gears. I'm going to try to take them off as one unit. And put them on. As one unit. There we go. Now I just got to get that snap ring. Over that, it comes with new snap rings. So we cut the camera off. I had to get Seth to hold this shaft while I got that snap ring back on, and now we've got it on. I did it with these pliers right here, these snap ring pliers. So it's just I don't like those snap rings. I like the ones that got the little holes in it, but that's not what we got, and I'm sure there's a reason. So now we're ready to actually start going back together with some stuff. I got to clean the silicone off these surfaces. I'm not going to bore y'all with all of that. I'm going to clean the filter for the oil pump, and then we'll get to putting this back together. Alright, all that's back in. Oh, okay. So now I've got to clean this piece right here up and get the oil pump ready to go back on. I've messed up bad. Okay. All right, I've got to get a snap ring back here, and then I want to put my speedometer gear on right here, and then I got to put this another snap ring on to right here that holds the speedometer gear in. All right, I've forgot to cut the camera back on, but this piece right here, you just put silicone on it or black RTV, and it just slides straight on. So I've got RTV on it. I'm not going to take it back off. I just now realized I forgot to cut the camera on. Alright, I've already put some black RTV on these blinds. Now I'm going to put that little rubber bush in there. Alright, so I have got everything buttoned back up. I've got the fuel hole open up, and I've still got the speedometer out, and the reason is I'm going to pour the transmission fluid in the speedometer hole rather than having to pump it into that hole. At least that's my plan. Alright, there's one quart. Yeah, it's steadily coming out right here. I didn't quite get 2 full quarts in it, but I've got enough that it's coming out. So that's plenty. May pouring it into that side right there. I like doing it like that. All right, we're in Little Red. We're gonna give them a try. We hadn't even picked up the tools yet. We'll head down the road and see what we got. Okay, we're fixing to try this out. Just accelerating before, it was very vibrating. So face the road with Seth. Smooth as silk. That's my first experience with a slip yoke eliminator, and it got rid of all of our driveline vibrations that was caused by the lift. I knew what it was caused by, and everybody told me that, hey, a slip yoke eliminator kit will solve that problem. We got a budget one. It was by Crown Automotive. I think it was $500 and almost $600, and actually I like it. Everything was good quality made, and it fixed says Jeep. Y'all, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. I appreciate y'all coming by and watching today. I thank you for stopping by week after week and commenting in the comment section, giving me thumbs up, checking out the links I put on Amazon. Clicking those links is a great way to support my channel. Y'all come back next time, we'll see what we got going in. Yeah.